Hello everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. Today I am showing you the brand new Light Elegance Summer Squeeze collection. This is their new summer glitter gel collection and I'm super excited about this collection. It's super unique to me and the colors are really fun. So I hope you enjoy seeing them. I have some comparisons for you and swatches, and you can get these right now at lightelegance.com. So let's dive right into these fun glitter gels. So the first glitter gel I have is called Fruit Snacks, and it looks like it's gonna be a nice hot pink. And I just love how they do their packaging with the stickers on the top, and you can see that it's a sparkly sticker. It like perfectly represents what's inside of the pot. So let's go ahead and open this one up, which is called Fruit Snacks. I did take a peek at these earlier, so some of them are open already. And this one is absolutely stunning. This is a hot pink. It has some flecks of like gold you can see in there, and it also has some matte glitters in there. This is a super fun hot pink for summertime. Alright, here are two coats of the glitter Fruit Snacks. Super fun, gorgeous hot pink. I'm going to show you some comparisons of some other pink glitter gels that I have in my collection. First is Cotton Candy, which is a little bit more of a darker pink, and it's a more on the like orange coral side. So this is what Cotton Candy looks like with Fruit Snacks. Next is Pink Platinum, which really doesn't compare in shade at all, but I just wanted to show you guys just so you can get a shade reference that Pink Platinum is much more like pink salmon colored glitter, and the Fruit Snacks is definitely your bright neon hot pink. Next is Twirly Whirly. Twirly Whirly is also a hot pink glitter, however it's more of that blue based like Barbie pink versus Fruit Snacks, which is more of the like orange pink. Next is Kiwi To My Heart, which is an amazing green, and this green is so sparkly, you guys. Like my camera can barely even focus on the glitter because it's so sparkly, and this is totally unique to my collection. This is one of the main reasons I decided to buy this glitter collection, because I did not have a green glitter gel and I also didn't have a yellow, so this was like super unique and just adds like a great addition to my glitter collection. Kiwi To My Heart has great coverage on the swatch stick. As you can tell, it's a super concentrated, fine glitter. There are little flecks of like gold and little flecks of teal in there as well. So it's a really nice shade of green. It's not too lime green, or, you know, it's a very wearable shade of green. I did find one that might compare to it, so I just thought I would show you. This one is discontinued, but just to show you shade reference, this is the Glow in the Dark from Light Elegance, and so as you can see, it's much more of a green glitter. And this is two coats of the Kiwi To My Heart. Next is Bad Banana, which is a super bright neon yellow. And I love the name. I think the name is like super fun too. So definitely unique to my collection. I don't have any yellow glitters at all. And I definitely don't have any glitters, like glitter gels that are this shade. And here is me swatching Bad Banana. It's got some other colored flecks in there as well, like I see some blue flecks, but overall it's a great bright yellow, and I am super happy I have this. This is like one of the main reasons I wanted this collection, because I do have bright neon yellow loose glitters, and I really love to stick loose glitter in wet glitter gel because it just gives it a little bit more coverage for loose glitters. So I know like Talia's Nail Tails, I know Talia loves to do this as well, so that is one of the main reasons I was really excited to get this yellow glitter gel. I do have two loose glitters that are kind of the same shade from Magpie. This is Denise and Mia, except they are a lot chunkier, so if you wanted to like spice this glitter gel up, you would just add some of these kind of chunkier glitters on top of the uncured layer of glitter gel, and then you would get a more of like a chunkier glitter look. But I'm super happy to have this glitter gel because now I have something to stick these loose glitters into. And there's 2 coats of Bad Banana. Next is Nice Melons, which is a funny name. It's a super pretty orange. This one I did not open, so my first impressions, oh my gosh, so gorgeous. This is a great orange, not only for summer, but you could also totally use it for fall because it is a orange. So sparkly, so pretty, such a great shade of orange for the summertime. And a couple of comparisons. I did grab Cinnamon from Light Elegance, which is more of your bronze glitter, but just to show you the shade, it's definitely a bright neon orange. Next, I have the Sting, which I think was from last year's summer collection. This is more of like a coral orange, and the Sting is all matte glitters. Next is Sunrise, which I believe is discontinued, but just in case you have it in your collection. Sunrise is kind of similar, but it's a little bit of a darker orange. And we have Orange Crush, which isn't really comparable, but just wanted to show you guys. It's more of like a neon coral orange, and it has like gold glitters in there as well. More of an iridescent. And here's 2 coats of Nice Melons. I have a couple of coconuts, which I was super excited about this color when I saw it on their Instagram. Oh my gosh, this is going to be a color that is popular all year round, not just the summertime, because it is a neutral shade. This is kind of like a nude glitter, but it has a slight pink hue to it. And I also kind of want to describe it as more of like a colored gel with like shimmer to it, because it has that kind of metallic nude base to it. So this one is super pretty, and the glitters in it are more of like silver, shimmery. It's just a great glitter that is going to be, I can tell it's going to be a staple in my collection all year round. And this glitter Swatches like goes on so smooth and beautiful because it has those really fine shimmers in it. Has great coverage, absolutely stunning. I know this is going to be a super popular one. Couple of comparisons. I have Champagne, which you will see doesn't really compare, but I just wanted to show you guys. Champagne is a little bit darker, and it's definitely more like glittery versus a couple of coconuts is more of that shimmer. Then next I have Smoothie, which is what I grab whenever clients ask for a nude glitter. I always grab Smoothie. It's a little bit darker than a couple of coconuts, and it has some multicolored glitter in it, whereas a couple of coconuts just has that like silver frost shimmer in it. The Smoothie glitter has multicolored glitters in it as well. And there's 2 coats of a couple of coconuts. Absolutely stunning this color is. The last glitter is Sangria, and this one is such a fun one. This is like a party on your nail. Oh my gosh. This one I also did not take a peek before I filmed this video, so I was like in awe of this glitter. Oh my gosh, it is crazy. So this glitter is all matte glitters. It has fine glitters, medium and large chunky glitters, in blue, hot pink, green, and red. So this is a super fun, unique glitter. I don't have anything in my collection at all that compares to this. Because this glitter is a little bit more chunky, I'm just going to swatch it on the inside of the stick so that it's super smooth on the front side. And I'm not sure really how much my clients will choose this color just because it is a matte glitter, but you never know. Sometimes my clients go for things I would not expect them to like, so we'll have to see how much my clients gravitate towards this one. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments which glitter is your favorite. So in recap, we have Fruit Snacks, which is the hot pink. We have Kiwi To My Heart, which is the green. And we have Bad Banana, which is the bright neon yellow. We have Nice Melons, which is orange. Couple of coconuts, which is that gorgeous nude. I think it's going to be super popular all year round. And then we have Sangria, which is that really fun, chunky matte glitter. So again, let me know which color is your favorite. Are you going to buy this collection? Did you already buy this collection? Tell me below in the comments. I always say if you like at least like 3 or 4 of the glitters in a collection, it's totally worth it to buy the whole thing because you do get a discount. You pretty much get 1 glitter gel for free when you buy the whole collection. It's the price of 5, but you're getting 6. And they also include these labels for your swatches already made, which is so awesome. And they do include swatches, however I don't use them. I use the swatches that like kind of match all the other ones that I've been using, but I do definitely utilize the labels, so that is awesome. Little awesome addition that you get when you buy the whole collection. If you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss a video, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.